What is up, everyone? This is Mayank Sharma from Virtual Trading. Today was a pretty difficult day, and we had been, we were bullish first, and with mentors, with our mentees, we were able to capture some good shots. But I told you that if you are about to capture shots, I will do only option selling, and I that is the reason. Even Hero Zero, I have not given you any put side position because I was not convinced for a downside move. And even if you see, no Hero Zero position inputs would have been panned out, right? So today was not that great a day, but I hope that you made good use of our trade that I gave you in a free Telegram community, and you were able to make some money. And let's see what we had discussed and what is the view for tomorrow. So what is this? I gave you a Hero Zero of around 5 rupees, around 949, right? 949, and at 957 that had doubled. This is 100% plus ROI. If you would have put 10k in this, you would have gotten 10k. This is double trade, and I told you why was I giving you Hero Zeros only in bullish side, because I expected momentum in bullish side. You have to remember that zero heroes are not just related to direction. You have to anticipate momentum, and this is why it panned out. And this is what our royal mentee did. This is what our royal mentee did. Yesterday he had taken overnight position, and today he booked a profit of more than 5k as soon as market opened somewhere around 10 a.m. and he was pretty happy with it. And this is the self trade he took. This is not the trade that we had to tell them. This is what the royals is all about, right? And this again I gave you a Hero Zero of 5 rupees again, and I told you to risk only from morning gains. If on expiry day you are sitting in gains, then you will risk only those gains. Don't risk more than that, okay? So I gave you even a SL of 2.2 rupees SL, yeah, like 100 rupees SL, and it had given you 3 rupees target, somewhere around 60% ROI. So today over and all we were able to capture 160% ROI on Hero Zero's call side, and this is what I have given you in live market the commentary. And if you see, this is what we had. This is what our mentees, elite mentees, were able to capture 25 points with our view of me and Hitash sir. And Aditya sir was bearish, and he had taken a sell position. We all did, and this is the position we had shared with our mentees well before price came there. And this is how it panned out. This is how it panned out, right? Do you see where the entries precise ahead the origin of the move, where the move comes? We don't wait for price to break structure and then go again there to take a trade. No, you have to anticipate this move, then only you will make good money. And this is what our mentee, he's a royal mentee, what is he said to about us? Even our mentees use our YT YouTube video levels. This is where he booked long at 16,003, and that is the high of the day. And so this is what we are all about. And if you use our views correctly, then you will not incur losses, or you will have a very small SL. And if you see, this is the up move in later day in like EOD, where we told about mentees with about upcoming move, like with charts and everything. Here Aditya sir had told this, and we saw a pretty great momentum, right? You need, for an option buyer, you need to trade such momentums to capture those Hero Zeros. And yes, this is what we are all about. So I just got done with the royal session. This is what our mentee had to say with us, about us. Done with my second session with Mayank today, and things are getting more crystal and clear. Whatever we are learning here, it's worth same as gold. Concepts are explained with logic, and by this we can predict probable upcoming move in market. Yes, in Royal we don't teach you just about your so-called methodologies. We teach you price development and hidden secrets of price, how price develops, where it reacts first, where it will go, what it will do, then what will happen. This everything, the eye to see future, is given to you in royal mentorship. This is what royals is all about. And with every session getting new dividends to look market. So that is my pleasure, bro. Thank you for your kind words. Now coming to markets tomorrow. Now coming to markets, what are our algorithmic levels? Our algorithmic level is 15,870 level. Unless price sustains below this level, I am not looking to create any bearish positions anymore. My view is still not bearish. Please remember this. My view is still not overall bearish, and I will change my stance if the need arises. So, but today, as of today, I am not bearish. If markets are able to sustain at the level of 15,992, 15,992, we can see the level of 16,052, 16,161. And if at any case markets are able to close and sustain at the level of 16,052, then we can test the targets of 16,161, 16280 being my ultimate target, and this is not the level where I'm expecting intraday. For intraday I'm expecting 16152 and at the max 16161. And for our downside, if markets are not able to sustain above this, then we can test the target of 15726 and 15635. This is my ultimate target, but I am not bearish as of now. If I have to create bearish positions, I will not buy options, I will not buy put options, I would like to sell call options. But if we are going for upside momentum, I would like to buy calls and not sell puts, because I'm expecting a momentum to the upside, right? And this level of 1652 is of utmost importance. Prices needs to close above this on a daily candle to see further up move, to see further up move with momentum. So this is about Nifty. Let's have a look at Bank Nifty. Let's have a look at Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, the range is pretty wide. So safer should avoid Bank Nifty. But again, if Bank Nifty is able to sustain above the level of 34,744, then we can test the targets of 34,903, 35,071. This being the ultimate level. This being the ultimate level of algorithms where the most pressure can be created. So if markets are able to sustain above this, then only we can positionally test the targets of 35,196 and 35,416. If markets are not able to sustain above this level of 34,744, we can see the level of 34,471 and 34,266. This being my ultimate target. So I'm pretty tired for the day, so I will wrap this up. Also, if you want to trade such things live with us, if you want to learn how to capture these momentums well before they happen in the markets, if you want to learn all this, if you want to capture these moves so that you can make good profit with great risk to reward, and if you want to trade such trade where you can get like double of your return, you can get 160% of your ROI, then we have a mentorship program. We have three mentorship programs, so we are running a offer currently. So if that is something you're interested in, do DMS. Will get you started to your journey to profitability and consistency, and we'll mentor you. We'll teach you how to look at prices like ins and outs of that, depending on the course which you opt for. And we'll see you inside the community soon. And this is a free Telegram community. This is a free Telegram community. Kindly do join this. And in this, we give you such trades, and I keep guiding you uh, about market directions and what to do, what not to do. I try to help you people as much as I can. So kindly use this free community as much as you can, and I'll see you